Hey everybody, it's Coupon and KP. I am about to show you life beyond coupons. So we're gonna go ahead and make us something for breakfast. In the meantime, stay in the house, be safe, and stay healthy. Let's go ahead and get the ingredients out: bacon, sausage, cheese. If you want salsa, take some salsa out. Get your eggs. Go ahead and if you have some flour tortillas, go ahead and do that. Get you an onion and get you some bell peppers. So I love to have onion and bell peppers in my breakfast food. So go ahead and put what you want in there. You can put cucumbers, get creative. You can put fruit, you can do anything you want to do. So yeah, that's what we're doing this morning, something different. Okay. Get those eggs cracked and into a separate bowl. That's my cooking husband. He loves to cook for us. And we were just getting tired of the same thing: breakfast meals every morning, breakfast eggs on a plate, eat. So yeah, here he's gonna go ahead and mix up our eggs in a little bowl, and we're gonna put those back in the refrigerator off to the side until we're ready for that. We normally like to cook our eggs at the end. Yeah, I guess it just depends. You can reheat them, but I really don't like to reheat my eggs. So yeah, let's go ahead and get these mixed up, and we're gonna move on to the bell pepper next, guys. Go ahead and chop that up. Make sure you remove the seeds. We're gonna do that next, but we're gonna skip that part. Go ahead and chop up your bell peppers, guys. Be careful with the knife. As you can see, he's being careful. Again, chop it up how you want it. You can have bigger pieces, smaller pieces, just however you prefer it. And this is just how we do things. He wants to cook this morning, so give me a little break, and I'm just gonna record him in the kitchen. Coffee in my favorite cup. Yes, it's a Christmas cup, but it's just too cute. I love it. Preheat your oven, 350 to 400, whatever you want to cook it on. Ain't no specifics, as long as it's cooked. Here we go. Okay, this is oatmeal for my son. He doesn't eat anything else but oatmeal in the morning, and bananas with a little cinnamon. But yeah, we don't drink milk in my home. It's just the Quaker Oats 1 minute oats, guys. You can get them at Walmart. And cinnamon, he really likes the cinnamon in his oatmeal, so I put a little extra in there for him, and I just put it in the microwave and cook it. That's how he likes it, and that's what he likes, so that's all I can do. Now for the main attraction, which is the bacon. Everybody loves them some bacon, so what we're doing here is just opening the package, and we're just gonna lay them in the glass pan there, and we're gonna go ahead and moving that out the way. But we're gonna go ahead and lay them in there and just put them in the oven. Let them cook until however you like to eat your bacon. We like to eat ours crunchy, sometimes soft, whatever you feel like doing.
How much onion do you want?
Keep going. I love onions in my omelets and in my eggs in general. So I told him to keep going. I like onions in my eggs.
Say what?
I like to have onions in my eggs. All right, he's gonna get ready to saute the onions. So we just mix ours together. Nothing special. Just mix them all together. Have your pan preheating. We put a little oil in ours, olive oil or whatever you want to do. Oh yeah, we're gonna get the other meat together, which is the sausage. So he wants to chop up the sausage first and then cook it. So that's what he's doing now. He could probably put it in the stove and just chop it up like that. It's on now.
Good?
Yep. Okay, so we like to cook our bacon in the oven. It's a little bit cleaner, and it seemed like it cooked better for us. So we've been cooking ours in the oven. How do you guys like to cook your bacon? This is another main ingredient, the sausage, right? So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and brown our sausage pretty good. Okay, so the onions and the bell peppers, we just cook them till they're soft. I like mine pretty soft in there, so cook it how you like. You want to crunch, leave it, and don't leave it in as long. Keep finishing up with the sausage here, just cooking it a little bit more. The kitchen is smelling really good right now. So yeah, that's how we do it here in the kitchen. In the mornings, we normally cook together, so that's the best thing to do in the mornings too. Okay, we're just gonna go ahead and move the sausage to another bowl like we did with the bacon and also with the bell peppers and green peppers and onions. So yeah, go ahead and put it in a separate bowl. It makes it it's more neat, for when you get your burrito together. Take that bacon out. Oh, it was smelling so good. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and put it in a separate bowl. Put a little napkin on it, drain some of the bacon grease. And yeah, there you go. All right, go ahead and scramble those eggs or cook them to your liking. We like scrambled eggs, so that's what we're doing here. Okay, we did go ahead and brown the burrito in just like a clean skillet. That's optional, but it makes it so much better, warms the items up again. So there you go. That's the finished result. Thanks for watching, guys. Okay, let's try it out. Okay, let's try the end result.
See how it is. Chef J. Rob.
Good.